Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, now by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick shooting methods. When we tap on it, we can get access to press volume keys to option at the first position, so let's pick it. And now we can decide how we want to use our volume keys. We can take picture or record video, which is now. We can change it to zoom in or out, or control system volume. Let me change this to the zoom. To show you how it works different, let's go back to the camera now. And let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, now I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom easily. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.